Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are a car owner or like if you drive your car here in Canada, especially in GTA region, I would tell you that have at least one thing for sure. Whatever happens with you, whatever people say, definitely have like your dash cam always with you, like front and back, definitely. Let me tell you, like I was subjected to an unpleasant situation, but nothing happened, probably because of the role played by my dash cam. So I was like driving, and at one signal intersection I had to take left turn. I was second car from the front, and the signal was green, and we were in the position. When the signal turned yellow, of course, like the car in front of me will take the turn, and I was waiting for him to take the turn because, like, you have to make sure that things are fine before you take a turn, because sometimes when signal turns yellow, uh, people coming from the other side drive really fast to get through before it turns red. So he was waiting, but there was another car, a car, I would say a jeep, behind me, who started honking me for no reason, because I cannot move while my car in front of me is not moving. So it was really unpleasant, and he was consistently honking me, and it was unpleasant. So I did not react. I kept calm. Now the real game began when the car in front of me moved. So I also moved in that direction. So as soon as I entered the other side of the street, and that car approached from behind, and he tried to overtake me, although my right turn blinker was on. So ideally he should wait for me to go as per the driving rules, but he did not follow that. He again honked me a lot, and this time, like when he passed through me, he gave me a very angry look. But I was also determined. I also gave him angry look, and just like he drove very fast, and he stopped the car, and this time he was about to approach me. But as soon as he came out of the car, he saw something and he went back. What did he see? He saw that I had my dash cam on. So, and his full body image was captured, including his car details, number plate. So that's why he did not want to create any scene over there. So he left without doing anything. And as I said, I was lucky, nothing happened. But it may happen to you also, guys. So make sure you follow and take proper precautions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.